Right, that's a canny little push up. 8 out of 10 here will know where I am. Again, please, it's not a competition. However, let's all be adult about this and keep this game going. This game of hide and seek. The biggest game of hide and seek known to mankind. Right, but just no seeking. But you can see how much height I've got from, well, you can't actually. It's probably about, I don't know, 200 metres in height straight up. And I must have done that in, what, 30 minutes? Actually, I must have. Maybe it's 40, but then I had like a couple of little stops for to take some atmospheric video footage. Oh, so I'll be honest, I was sat in Wolla and I was thinking, where am I going to go today? And I couldn't make up my mind. So I'm not far from Wolla, one of the valleys. I'm up the hill from the valley. And my next big dilemma is, that way where I've camped before, or up that way where I've camped before. I think that way is a little bit more secluded, but it's also more boggy. I think I'm going to go that way. Whew. Yeah. Should be quieter. There we go. House rules. Yeah. Oh, there's the beast of a handbag. That's not leaking anything. It's important. Like my alcohol for later. Oh, got a little random pitch there. Got a little random pitch. Didn't wake up this morning, or didn't wake up, I think, oh, I'll go here. But here I've ended up. And it's quite blinking acceptable. Oh, best gone canny, that's all I brought. Well, it's not all I brought. Oh. So yeah, I even took a trail down the bottom there. Yeah, those crags that I haven't really took before. I've just sort of had a nice wander around. It's a nice for to have myself sorted, a couple of extra hours for to play with. Because I'm trying to be a bit more creative with my videos, as you might see. So yeah, for me that's playing. It's lush. It's just, I'm really thoroughly enjoying the video side of it at the minute. goes without saying I always enjoy the camping side, otherwise, I mean, what type of idiot would come out that didn't like camping? Oh, right, I'll get me my big handbag unpacked. I'll see you in a little bit. Oh, the dark night, man, you've got to get your tent up as fast as that, eh? Whoa, so that weather's on the change. Do you know what I mean? It was warm on the way up. Oh, that's a good photo, isn't it? Hold on. Was that warm on the way up? I took me down jacket off. But I blinking love it when it's like this. Look how atmospheric it looks. Lush. And a beautiful pitch. That wind's kicking in. Oh yeah, well, I'm not going to show you pitch just yet. We'll have a look around and about. For those that aren't local or haven't been here, it's blinking stunning. Now I've been here loads of times. Hold on. So yeah, I've had a few good pictures around this area. This side of the valley, maybe it's only 1, 2, maybe it's only a couple over this side of the valley. That side of the valley, several more. Up there several. Across there several. Right, how well then you want to see tonight's pitch? There she blows, and how pretty does that look? Isn't it? What a stunner of a little pitch. Kuiu, looking proud. It's probably one of the few times of the year you can get away with this stealth in England, because it sort of just looks like vibrant autumnal foliage. I'm gonna have a walk around. Because not often you get to see places like this. That's what it's about. Right, for me, it's coming out in every season. Look at that. There. The epitome of the 1970s. All them browns and beiges. And then, hello, the 80s are just creeping in, eh? Oh. Lush. I didn't think it was going to rain till tomorrow, but it looks like it might be coming in tonight. Let's have another little peep. Man, what a stunning vista. That definitely looks moist that way. It could be time to batten down the hatches. Right, I'll get off. Hold on. One shall get off. Where's me tent? There's me tent. Yes. Oh, 55. Waking up with bulls and fields this morning. And going to bed with that tonight. Does it get any more mad? In a bit. And a quickie before I go and hide me tent. This is one of the best things about wild camping here. Seeing that coming, if you're out hiking, you'd be like, no! You'd be raking around in your bag for to put your waterproofs on. You'd be up in your step, pegging it back to your vehicle. Me? Nope. I've got a wistful grin on my face. I'm heading back to me Kuiu. I don't even have to batten down the hatches. The bugger's solid. Time to get some R&R in. I got me rest, relaxation, and happy days. Yes. Woo! And the difference straight away is unreal. Welcome to the Kuiu. You can probably hear the wind's picking up a little bit outside. Now I stuck my hand out with my anemometer and I stuck it on to minimum and maximum. So it recorded a breeze of 21 miles an hour. Note special. But this is what 21 miles an hour looks like. It sounds like in a tent. And this tent is absolute totes bomber. And I've got it pitched out. Probably the best it's ever been pitched out. I'm not even expecting this. Oh, so what else was I going to tell you? Got myself a few cheeky ciders. So we'll see what these are like. I'm having a cider tasting evening this evening. And our first cider it's a cheeky little number. It's a passion fruit, peach and mango. It's a 4% alcohol, so I'd probably need a crate full of these to get me off to sleep nicely. Actually I wouldn't. 2 of these and I'll be mortal. Now the most important part is it's lower calorie. So it's saying here that it's 28 calories per 100 mils. If this is 500 mils, that's 140 calories per tin. That's a 440, so what, 120 odd calories a tin. Oh yes, yes, yes. Getting the passion fruit first. Up, then the mango. I'm unsure where the peach is. Peaches though, they're usually sort of stealth, quite stealthy in the background when they're up against the passion fruit and mango. Yes, yes, vibrant taste of the seasons. I'm unsure which season's, probably not the season we're having at the moment. I'll report back later on. We've got another couple of these. We'll maybe have a little bit of a cider tasting party. Always trying to keep the videos different. And that outside there, no chance I'm getting out for a wee now, until tomorrow. I don't know why I've told you that. I just don't know why. God, what's happened to this? Talking about urinating to strangers online. Oh, friends, friends, my new friends. And moving on to brew number 2 this evening, it's a cheeky little Alska, not Alaska as I thought they've been called forever, an Alska apple, cinnamon, winter spices. This one here just seems to ooze the descriptive narrative of Christmas. It's November. Let's see what this little piece tastes like. It's a cold snap. I'm getting berries first. Weak berries. Oh, it's a bit like a cheap Christmas candle. Oh no. You know when you go into someone's house and they've tried too hard with Christmas, and they've got the candles going, they've got the tree, they've got everything. They've got the table runners, they've got the garden decorations, they've got that tree up in August. They've got the stuff all over, they've got the candles burning, they've got the joss sticks burning. That's a smell of Christmas being celebrated 2 months too early. Aye. It's a shame. I tell you what though, I'll plough through it. Just for scientific purposes. It's more like a bath bomb. All that's missing is the slight waxy aftertaste of licking a candle. Not that I would have ever have licked a candle before to see if I could get the taste out of it rather than smell it. Take a weirdo do you take us for? There's the rain started. You know the best thing about camping? Tents. Because camping wouldn't be quite the same without a nice tent, would it? Them people that got out in bivvies, bloody mad, man. Or them little bivvy, like one man bivvy tents. That's not a tent. A tent. This is the tent, yeah? Keeps you safe. Keeps you out of harm's way. You can sit up in it. You can wee out of one door. You can cook in the other door. You can get changed in here. You can do just about... You can live in here. It's a tent, man. I get changed in here. I can... Oh. You can't do that in a bivvy bag or a bivvy tent. How, man? Get a grip. There's a shower kicking in. I'm alright. I'm in the Kuiu. I had to bring the Kuiu tonight because it would have got like jealous of the Hydra. I'll be honest, I'm super chuffed I brought the Kuiu, the Kuiu tonight. I do like the Hydra for a 4-season tent. The specs on it are fantastic. For £104, it says it's a 3 kilogram weight online. It's not. If you want, I can explain it to you in full, but if you're not a tent person, you will find that very boring. Trust me, that trail weight is at 2.5 to 2.6. If you want to know the ins and outs of the specs, ask us. I won't bore everybody else. So yeah, Kuiu comes in as 2.4. It's palatial, and I'll be honest, you know, this is a £600 tent. The difference between Kuiu and Hydra is the difference between a Travelodge and a Hilton. I suppose if you pay a little bit extra for a better room, you'll get a better room. Because I was in the Hydra last night, and I know the temperatures are similar. The Kuiu is a warmer tent. The Hydra has its plus points. It has a lot of plus points. And especially a lot of people who can afford £600, man, for a tent. All these people that's buying Hillebergs for £1,000. No, I'm not even taking them out. How, man? But as you can hear, a little bit of a storm going on outside. I'll be right as rain in here. Well, hopefully the rain will be outside. I'll be absolutely fine here. The only problem I might have is the pitch. On a little bit of a plateau, just at the little, like that. So if it rains biblically, I might get a little bit of water settling. That's the only thing that it wouldn't even bother us, but that would be the only thing I would sort of think might go amiss. I even forget why I turned the camera on now. I think I was just about to say, listen that. Listen that. I've got a super comfy pitch. Everything just feels lush tonight. So I'll catch up with you later. So I'm still drinking my Christmas candle. It's alright, I've got one more. We'll have a... Oh, got a little bit sour there. What else is in it? Cinnamon. Okay. I'll have a little bit crack on you later when the rain stops. Okay? So I don't have to plug my external microphone in. Right. It's 2 o'clock in the morning. according to the Met Office, 9 to 10 o'clock looks quite auspicious for escaping. The gusts apparently, according to the Met Office, the gusts 40 to 50. Oh, I never caught any of that on the anemometer. I don't know whether my anemometer needs to check that. I thought it was a little bit sketchy, I'll be honest. You know, you just, when you get out a lot and you just sort of get a feel for nature and you, yeah, I thought that was down as a little bit low. Never mind, I've got it recorded as 23 last night, plus I'm in a little tiniest bit of a shelter. Obviously that's why I pitched here, because I'm perfecting. Right, so it's 7 o'clock, we're going to be no sunrise because it's grim out. Look at that. Grim out there. I best stick my head back down for about an hour and a half. Oh man, the downside of camping, eh? Night's morning. Oh, that's a blows. Rush. Yeah, launches up. 8:23, packed away. All I've got to do is pull a tent down. Sounds like I might have a window of opportunity. Shall we see what the day is like? Yeah, that will do me. I don't know what's behind us. It's usually what's behind you you've got to worry about. That's a Cheviot behind us. That'll do me. And straight away, a rather large chipper grin on one's face. See you down the road a bit. That's what's behind work and that's what's coming in. Time to get off the hill. Thank you, lovely camping spot. I'll be back. Ciao. Peg it. Wild camping, this valley, up that hill, round some corners, up some crags, on a plateau, done.